Hello guys, so this is a midweek update on the markets, and this is my BTC USD setup, and it just got triggered in as I started this video. So this is one of my setups for the week. I'll show you through everything I'm looking at and everything I'm looking for this week. Well, here you can see that we have a low get taken out here. It was towards the beginning of the week. It was taken out down here. This is liquidity down here, right? And then the market breaks out bullishly above these highs. Okay, it traces first opportunity to enter here, then goes above, and then there's the other block here, fair value gap, and this is liquidity up here. So that's just basically how I'm viewing this trade. I'm looking at it as daily level being hit, a break of structure, and the retracement. So this is simply the idea for this trade. And matter of fact, let me set my take profits for this trade. So you can see my stop, you can see my entry, and my take profit will be one standard deviation of this move moving higher. Just one standard deviation, which is here, one. So that's it right there. That'll be the target for the trade, which is 120,000, basically 120k on Bitcoin. Let's see what that looks like on the daily charts. Okay, I think that's doable all the way up into this daily bearish order block right there, which probably might not hold, but let's see. Let's look at my other setups, my other ideas. I'm currently in this trade. This is GBP Canadian dollar, and the idea for this trade is that the GBP USD is one of the bullish currency pairs right now. This is the daily chart. This is the hourly chart. It's one of the bullish ones. I'm looking for a setup on GBP USD as well, and these are my levels: daily trend line, daily trend line, daily trend line. These are my levels. The price has not made any move to them at all, so no setup for me, no opportunities here for me. So, but on GBP card, you can see this is a daily low, daily trend line right there. That's a daily low. Let me zoom in. Yes, so this is a daily low right here, and then the price comes down from this high point over here. It comes down, makes a retracement, comes down again, right? So blows out that low, and then aggressively runs higher, taking out this high, and that is an internal breakout structure of this move down. All right, so that is the idea for this trade. Once the price has broken out, then I can look at opportunities to start buying. So all I did was wait for a pullback into this other block. This 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Those are other blocks. The price got into it. I got my fill here. My initial trade is here. It pumped to about 3R. Okay, then dumped again back below my previous entry. I held on. It started moving. I added one here, added another here. Smaller positions, of course. Okay, these two positions are like quarter of this initial position because I'm looking to manage risk at all times. I don't want to let my risk go too crazy. So on this account, I'm using 0.5% risk per trade. So this setup here, this extra addition here is 0.125%, and this one is 0.125% as well. So you can see take profit is not so far away anymore. It's also one standard deviation of this move here, this move, my initial entry. So you can see one standard deviation there, or two. So that is the move stacked on top of itself. That's just what it is. And that's the target, which lands us right above this high. Okay, so that's the idea for this GBP card trade. And then let's look at which other one am I looking at? I also had this Euro card as well. I was also watching this one alongside GBP card, but this was my entry down here. Meanwhile, this one has already been utilized. This other block here, this large one. But basically, I didn't get my fill. It reacted here and then pumped aggressively. But this was where my entry was, and my stop loss was here. So it was one of the missed opportunities for this week. And then I'm also in another trade. Yeah, this is Japan 225 index. Okay, here we have just basically the same idea as my other trades. I use the same strategy every day. So this is a daily level, a daily low. It gets taken out, right? And then once it gets taken out, the price breaks out here by going above this high. This high led to the stop run, and the price aggressively breaks above it. And then I wait for a retracement into the other block here. That is my entry, my stop loss at the swing low, and my target is here, one standard deviation as usual. Okay, and I'm risking 0.5% on this one as well. This is my entry. I closed one of my entries. It was unnecessary, so I closed it, and then I have the second one running. Okay, now the price is kind of pulling back, and once if we move higher to break this high, I will be looking to add another position. I can add here, but I don't feel like that's giving me enough confirmation to add an extra position at this point. So once it goes above this highs here, that will show me some strength behind this move, and then I would be looking to add. All right. I have other trading ideas. Okay, this is Euro USD. Yet to reach any of my daily levels, so no chance, no opportunities here. This is Euro card. Already showed you this. GBP USD, same as Euro USD. No key level hit yet. Okay. GBP card already explained. USD to the Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc. Okay, we have hit this particular daily level, and the price is breaking down, but there is no fair value gap yet for me to trade. But once the fair value gap appears, I'll start looking for another block, which might be this. So this might later become an order block here, or this one here, for me to trade with. You can see it has hit a daily level. This is another daily level up here that was not hit. And this was the initial daily level that was hit at the beginning of the week, a previous high. Okay, but price never gave me an opportunity to get in, to re-enter, so it just fell like this. And sometimes that happens. Okay, so that's just it. This is USD Swiss franc. So we're waiting for a convincing move lower and then a retracement to enter. Okay, as card to the Swiss franc, no daily level yet, so I can't do anything. BTC USD, I just showed you at the beginning of the video, so this is looking aggressive, but anything can happen. It might run through my stop, or it might respect it. I am okay either way. Right, this is F. I wanted this is actually a qualified setup. All right, it's a qualified setup because this hit a daily level. You can see my check mark at this daily trend line here. Then it broke out above these highs, so we're looking for an order block. It's a fair value gap to enter in. This is a fair value gap, but there's no liquidity in here, and I do not like that. I believe that this would come down, take out this low, and that might be an opportunity for somebody else to take advantage of. All right, not financial advice. So this might be a good place to buy under this low, or this one might just respect price and then keep going higher. But I want to see the price come down, then give me what exactly I want, a fair value gap, another block, and some liquidity. Okay, so once that happens, I'll be buying, probably to target this high or this one. So let's see how that goes. This is silver, daily level hits already. A breakout is going to be happening here. So if we later pull back, this will be a very good entry for us down here, for me. Okay, and then this is gold. Gold is looking to, although it didn't come down to this level as I was anticipating, it's probably using this one here, this high, or more obviously this one. But if it comes down here, which it's probably not, considering how fast it's moving right now. But if it comes down here, this is a good entry. This is aluminium, daily level hit, but then nothing is happening here. It's just continued lower. Same thing with zinc. Then JP, Japan 225. I've shown you this already. USD, US100, Nasdaq. Okay, this daily level has failed. There was no breakout, no follow through. Okay, so we're anticipating the next one, which is here. And then this is the S&P 500. The daily level was hit. There was a breakout here, or just like a week, but it still looks very unsure to continue to move higher. So, but basically, there's no setup yet. But if the price should aggressively pump from here, take out this high, give us a other block here, that would be something I would like to participate in. And then the last one is US30. I like this one a lot. So if I'm looking to engage the price, this is a daily level here. I was also expecting this one, but it didn't get here. This is one, this is valid. This is yesterday's low. We took it out and then aggressively broke structure here. So although it's unlikely, I would like to see the price. Oh, is this a valid level to place my entry? Yes, it is. Okay. This is a valid entry here. Other block. So the price come back in here. I would like to buy, right? I like to buy. And yeah, I think I've gone through all the pairs I'm watching.